Today's food trail is going to be different. It's good for those of you who are having a big party at night and wondering where to buy those things for a very good price. So I'm going to show you a place where you can get your satay for cheap, you're going to get your dim sum for cheap, you're going to get even your Nonya Cake for very, very cheap. So follow me. Alright, I'm here at the 5th floor of Gourmet East Kitchen. I'm going to check out this place that makes dim sum for 80% of the hotels in Singapore. See all these things here? They're all available in NTUC. But if you come to the factory, you get them at about 20% cheaper. So it's cheap, but is it good? That's the big question. So I'm going to go upstairs right now and do the taste test. So come. So now we get to find out what these dim sum are going to taste like. This here is the hotel range. This one is the retail range, which you can find at the supermarket. As you can see, there's a difference between the retail siu mai and hotel siu mai. So I'm trying this one. That's pretty good. It's not your handmade restaurant kind of siu mai, but it's actually quite good. Here is the prawn roll, also under the hotel range. It's not bad. It's $5 you get 10 of these, and you can just deep fry them for your parties. I tried one of these earlier on. I quite like this. For the retail range, I tasted them. I think the har khao and the siu mai are pretty average, but what is good is the chili crab bao. Actually quite tasty. The other thing that I would recommend is also the salted egg yolk bao. This is actually made from real salted egg yolk, not the salted egg yolk powder. You can buy this at the supermarket again, but if you come here, you can get it at 20% discount. You know, if you're having a party, you have to cater for a church function or some sort of gathering and you need to get 100 or 200 siu mai, this is one of the places that you can get. Alright, so now you know where to get your dim sum and wholesale prices. Right here at the Gourmet East Kitchen. Now I'm looking for this place called Leo Satay. These guys have been making satay wholesalers since the 1960s. It's a traditional Hainanese satay. This is a satay grilling machine, a Singapore invention. Basically, it just goes one round. So once the satay is done, it drops by itself. Okay. Perfectly grilled satay. Let's go and try. Okay, I'm here with Raymond Leo. He basically makes all this satay and he sells it to your favorite hawker. So your hawker may be selling his satay but under their own brand without you knowing. 为什么要来到这边买你的 satay？
这边买我们自己来买的话，它比较便宜。
一只多少？
一只我们卖只有3毛钱而已。
哦，三毛啊！沙爹为什么叫沙爹？
你敢去1、2、3嘛？
哦，
沙爹。
就有肉油肉啦，沙爹。Let's try. How you get the pork so tender?
你找我secret technique
啊 ，secret technique 啊，这个 OK， 这个不可以讲的。在supermarket 就是卖呢已经 grill 好的，开出来就是这样
啊，熟了，回去弄烧2分钟 ，microwave 啊 oven
这样弄烧就可以了。
还有包酱在里面。
我要吃你的酱，OK。It's a very traditional Singapore Hainanese style satay. You can buy here raw, 30 cents a stick. How many satay sticks can you eat? 你可以吃多少
I think I get 20, 30.
20, 30 only. You're the satay man. Not 100. Alright, so I got my satay. And now it's time for my satay party. We're looking for a Nonya kueh shop that sells a piece of lapis sugu for 30 cents. If only I can find it. I think I finally found it. Genting Nonya Cake. Or if you're Malaysian, Genting Nonya Cake. I'm very impressed by the fact that they have this very old school stone mortar which they use to mill their rice to make the batter to make the jiu chen gao. And then they also have their own coconut shredding machine. The coconut comes here in the middle of the night and they actually squeeze their own coconut milk. So actually this place sells very old school traditional Nonya kueh. Come here because everything is cheap. So You can buy 10 of these for $3.40, which makes every piece only 34 cents. The most important is, how does it taste? Okay? It's nice, layer by layer. Not as coconutty as I would like it, but you know, it's nice and chewy. And this is the angku kueh, red tortoise cake. Really going back in time. 40 cents. 40 cents. Okay, and this is the mini wako kueh. It's $1.40 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 20 cents. 20 cents each. Okay, wako kueh quite standard. So in a nutshell, this place is cheap and relatively good. I don't think it's the best Nonya kueh in Singapore, but it is really cheap. As long as you're not after the best in Singapore and you're after something that is good enough, yeah, I think you can come here, especially if you want to save money and buy in bulk. We are here at Hougang Otah, but this is not Hougang. This is Gourmet East Kitchen. Yeah. This is Georgina. She's second generation. Banana leaf otah and coconut leaf otah, what's the big difference?
The spices are different inside, and
Yeah.
the fish also are different.
Okay.
This is $1 and this is 50 cents.
When we buy here, it's 50 cents.
Yeah.
If we buy at your shop in...
It's also the same price.
Same price? Then what
Yeah.
for I come all the way here to buy? I thought come to factory usually cheaper.
No, we don't have this kind of special offer.
This is the otah grilling machine.
Yes.
Did you all design this? Is this
no,
a...
there's a company that designed for us.
And over there you have those that grill by hand.
Yes, correct. Because when our orders are big,
Okay.
so we have to split.
So who
Yes.
buys non-spicy otah?
Mostly for kids.
Ah, children. This is non-spicy otah. This tastes like a hei lah. Okay?
Yeah, this is a fish head.
Fish head leceh lah.
But
I
it's
scared the
very,
bone.
very popular.
Is it?
Yes, correct.
So fish head got all the shell, everything, right? You have to... Then
Yes, correct.
But this is also from the batang fish.
Yeah, correct. Batang fish head.
There's a bit more work to eat this one.
Yeah.
I have to admit, yeah. It's actually quite nice to nibble on the whatever lah, brains,
Yeah.
eyes,
Head.
jaw, head, shell. Look, this is the advantage of buying this one, right? One piece of otah like this will go longer than the normal one. The normal one you finish in 2 mouths. Okay.
The bigger version that normally people go with nasi lemak.
This one is very good. How much is this one? It's got $1.
$1. Yeah.
So can we buy not a haven't grilled one and grill ourselves?
Yeah, no problem for that.
Cheaper lah.
It's also $1.
It's still $1. Whether you grill or you don't grill yourself, it's
Yes.
$1. Whether you come here or you go to the shop, it's still $1. No discount, this lady. Wow, very difficult. The otah is very good. You don't have to come all the way here to Gourmet East.
Yeah.
But if you're living in the East, this may be the nearest to you, and you can just park outside, just run in, grab some otah for your barbecue party. So there you go. I got all my stuff, and now it's time to party.